Yes.
Lordship, may I mention item number 7? Lordship may not like to take up this matter.
Why?
This Jeffrey passed by Honorable Justice.
Oh, okay. Right. List this matter before some other bench, not before one
It's
of
a
us.
POXO one, na?
Yes.
Bracket, you write justice.
Next.
May I please your lordship?
Yeah, I can still.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention item number 2,
Two.
the concern of the other side lordship.
Yes.
Due to some personal difficulties lordship,
Ah,
can we pass over for 3 weeks or 2 weeks?
you have been, you have been asking for bail all the time. I mean, adjournment all the time.
Not by us.
This matter. I think you're for the prosecution.
Yes, lordship.
Oh, okay. This is a matter regarding Mizoram.
Yes, lordship.
Yes, who's for the other side?
HR Chaudhary.
Where is he? Have you
Yeah,
spoken?
I have taken consent from
And what is your name?
N Kalita.
Your father?
For me, additional AG for Mizoram. A Kalita,
You're the PP.
not me, lordship.
The Kalita. Okay. Right. On the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of the additional PP Mizoram. Additional PP, no? This is the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, additional AG, lordship.
Additional. This is a criminal matter.
Oh,
After 3 weeks. Can AG be PP? Can it be PP? Additional, I can understand that. AG, but huh? Maybe additional PP. Probably. I don't know. Why the PP / additional PP? That's it. We do not know. He doesn't know anything also. He comes before the court not knowing. On behalf of the additional PP. then. Yes,
May I please, lordship?
Okay.
I beg to mention item number 3.
3, yes.
That will be taken up after vacation, lordship.
They told me last night.
Okay, Mr. On
taken
the
the
prayer for adjournment made by Mr. D. Chowdhury, learned counsel for the appellant, which is not objected to by Ms. S. Jahat, addition PP, this is the matter after the case.
No, he is accused. This was an appeal against acquittal. So he is for the accused.
May I please, your lordship? May I please, your lordship? With the consent of other side, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, your lordship.
8,
8, lordship. Lordship, matter may be taken up after vacation, your lordship.
we're not going to
I
have
have
any
taken the
matter.
consent.
Any matters.
These are this 1 week repeat.
That is one matter. Why? The suit for decree has been dismissed.
Yes, my lord.
So what is wrong with the judgment?
Lordship, I need some time actually.
Why?
Actually,
You're
I'm
the
not-
one, you're the appellant. What?
Lordship, I am not so feeling well, lordship.
You're not feeling well.
Yes, my lord.
Since when? Since
Lordship,
5 minutes back.
I have the problem of that gallbladder stone, your lordship, because of that.
Huh?
I have that gallbladder stone, lordship, that is going.
Gallbladder stone.
Yes, I am.
Are you going to have an operation or what?
I am preparing for the surgery, your lordship, shortly within the vacation.
On the prayer for adjournment made by Mr.
Devora, your lordship.
D. Bora, who submits that he is not feeling well due to having stones in his gallbladder. List the matter after
After vacation, your lordship.
after vacation.
Publix.
which were exhibit 35. But in while preparing the paper book, some other exhibits were annexed.
No.
Yes, Lordship.
Wait, no, that is not true, Lordship.
Just a minute, let us hear him, sir.
Lordship, may I please to see page 143 of the paper book. Lordship, I check up the paper book. It is not verified by the registry or cover.
Oh. This paper book is made by whom?
By the appellant.
It's not made by the registry.
No, Lordship. While preparing the case, Lordship, I discovered this. thing. Although with regard to exhibit 33, subsequently an affidavit has been filed annexing some documents. Lord. That has not been annexed and likewise.
That's not part of the trial court record, you mean?
Yes, Lord.
No, it is
Huh?
part.
Yes, Lord.
Just a minute, madam, just wait.
Lordship, my please to come to page 33, exhibit 33,
Page
page 143 of the paper book, Lord. Submitted by my landlord.
143, yes.
Exhibit 33.
Exhibit 33,
is
yes.
a Inventory under section 52.
52A, yeah.
But while annexing, actually may come to page 193. Some other document is there, shown to be exhibit 33.
One minute.
Now they have rectified by filing affidavit. That is not been part of the, likewise, exhibit 43.
Just call my, just call the. I want my paper. with the-
Chief officer not verified.
I mean,
I have checked up the court's copy of it.
That is the problem. You should have come on that day.
Lordship,
Now
on
we heard them. So then you could have told us this. We didn't have to waste so much time.
Lordship, actually, on that day I was on lakes in.
Your juniors could have said that.
that was,
We hear the other side saying that you are going to argue on the next day.
Lordship, I can argue on the basis of law.
No, but you're bringing up this issue
Yes.
now. What is the correct? You could have told us then we could have verified whether this is correct or not. As per the, what is the? देखो मेरा just computer का काम में थोड़ा कागज है बोल रही these issues, whether we can rely on this paper book or not, should have been brought to our notice on the first day.
That was,
Then we did not have to hear them. We could have resolved that issue there and there. Or pass some appropriate order.
that is my mistake.
Instead, you allowed your juniors to
Lordship, so
inform this court.
subsequently I discovered when I was preparing the case. I'm sorry, Lordship.
When you all submitted on the other day, you all said there were two exhibit 33.
Yes, Lordship, it is true.
One was the forensic report
Yes. It is
and
in
one was the inventory.
the- yes, Lord.
Now, where is the forensic report?
Forensic was that case 193, Lordship.
That is.
It is in the original record, my lord. It is what he has submitted. That was, I mentioned before the learned,
What is the FSI, and where is the inventory?
inventory also 33.
I know, but which page?
It is not there. That is why we filed as per direction of the honorable court.
It's not a part of the paper book.
It is, I mentioned this thing before the court that it is not the paper book. That it should be in the
Is
paper.
it part of the record?
Yes.
Maybe it must be. Lord.
We submitted it.
Court asked me to,
No, but then the thing is that what he's saying is that the paper book has been prepared by you. Is that a fact? Is this a fact?
yes, Lordship, we submitted this,
How, you made a paper book?
we submitted registry, Lordship, registry should verify.
Submitted something it was found that was missing, my lord.
No,
So- With the court permission, my lord, we filed the additional correct one we have already.
no, the thing is that whether the paper book was made by you or not.
Yes, we made.
Why? Who told you to make paper book?
Because, as per direction of the honorable court, lordship.
Where's the direction of the court? Where is
So
the
we
di-
cannot file the paper book without the direction of the
let us
court.
see, let us- Where?
Acha, sir,
What's
sir.
in order dated 5/11/2020.
5/11,
Who prepared an IA lordship for bail. At that time, this order was.
I don't have any in the IA.
There
No,
there was
lordship,
IA lordship.
There's no 5/11/2020.
351, lordship, IA 351, the order
Give me
is,
the IA.
that is on annex with the paper book,
No, I want to see the IA.
351.
No, give me IA 351.
350. It is 250 in the paper book, it is IA 351 2023.
Is there any IA 351?
Yes, lordship. Yes, sir. 351. It order to.
Give me all the IAs. Let me check up all the IAs.
One,
351.
yes, 351.
Yeah? Yes, we want to dispose of. Criminal paper book section as well as the learned counsel appearing for the NCB are given time to verify regarding receipt of the paper books of paper.
What's it? Oh. Kami tayo po.
Has the paper book section verified this?
No. Lordship may see the page, 1, 2, page number 5 of the paper book, compared by this blank.
Yeah. She was not there. She submitted. No, next time is okay. Thereafter, it was directly against the verify. By the assumption of they must be they wanted out the post. For the additional. Maybe.
Yes, page 5 of the paper book. What?
Yes. Prepared by so-and-so, translated by so-and-so, examined so-and-so, typed by so-and-so.
Where are you reading?
Lordship, page 1, 2, 3, page 5 of the paper book.
Page 5 of the paper book. Is the form of recording deposition.
Lordship, no, Lordship, this is a. my paper.
I have got the paper book in front of me also.
Lordship, this is the page 5 of the top.
Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Please,
After index
show him this, just show him this, just give it to him.
After index.
What page is that? What page is that?
Lordship, no, page number is not there.
From where did you get a page?
I've counted.
You counted, please do the pagination as per the code.
It was Lordship submitted by my learned friend.
You were supposed to verify.
Yes.
As per this order of 5/11/2020, you are supposed to verify.
Lordship, believing that everything is correct.
Prepared by, examined by. Wait.
Yes.
Original record is this, correct?
What's it?
Original record is.
Yes, probably it has been dissipated.
Problem is everything is translated by her. That's not been verified.
All are in English, Lordship.
Maybe, madam, but you are an interested party. That is the problem. You are not an uninterested party. We have, there has to be not only justice, there has to be an appearance of justice.
Likewise, exhibit 43 is also different.
Huh?
Likewise, exhibit 43 in court's order, it is state a copy of the letter dated 12/7/2016. But at page 204, it is letter dated 7/6/2016.
Mr. Council, all these, you see,
I understand Lordship.
Matter is coming again and again. At no point of time, he pointed out, all along, matter, we are
Lordship,
talking about this.
Lordship,
This should not be happen, my lord.
no, I agree.
Again and again is coming,
no,
my lord.
Lordship,
He is
Lordship,
talking to us also, matter, never he has pointed out. Had he been pointed out,
But then once he points it out, then what to do?
we
Lordship-
could have, my said that, yes, it is.
no,
that
Lordship,
will
it
be
is not
verified.
responsible to the appellant when they
That
prepare
should not be
the.
the way of my lord, that is very bad.
Office I also not verified, Lordship. Yes,
All right,
I admit
he
my default.
pointed out,
Lordship, I
honorable
admit my
court's
default.
time would not have been wasted, my lord. That is why I am on that, my lord.
If you had told us in the very beginning,
Right, my
you
lord.
see,
That's what I'm saying.
Lordship, that is my. default.
already we have made notes.
That is my
5
default.
pages of notes we have made.
Lordship, I apologize for that, Lordship. Even then, Lordship, when they discovered that there is a mistake, they could file a PDP. Why not with respect to other exhibits, Lordship? I
But then-
admit my default, Lordship.
But you only admit, but you only admit it in, words, you don't really mean it, for the simple reason that on 5th November 2020,
Yes, Lordship.
this court had directed you to verify and the paper book. I've given you that. Now this is after 3 years, nearly 3 years.
Now, Lordship, what did I?
Why didn't you say this in 2021, 2022?
Lordship, I believe in the conduct of the appellant, Lordship. So I didn't, when they file application, affidavit, that some other exhibits has been included. That is been filed by affidavit. Then we, Lordship, started checking whether all these exhibits are there. or not. Lordship, there is exhibit 43 also.
That's there, my lord. He should have, that he is maybe human being, my lord, we may commit a mistake, man. Had it been pointed out earlier, my lord.
There is no exhibit 43 in the,
Lordship, in court's order, page
there
140.
is a exhibit 43 is there.
43 is there, is the office letter dated 12/7/2016. But while in paper book, it is a letter dated 7/6/2016.
It's a different
This
43.
is a different lot. Now, for my default, I can be penalized, Lordship. I don't mind, Lord. But Lordship, when the appellant can discover that exhibit 33 was some different, they file through affidavit. Why not with respect to other Lordship exhibit? Lordship, I am not, Lordship, here the matter, I am ready, Lordship, I can argue.
How can we now?
No, Lordship.
How can we do it now? When you have brought out these aspects
His intention is not to do the case.
You
That's
should
why
have
he
done
made this
it.
point, my lord.
on that date,
Every day we are coming.
He,
prepared on the
Lordship,
day.
may record that. That is my, I have no intention to do that.
Yes, my
in
lord,
spite
that's
of
why he is
the-
raising this type of point, my lord.
No,
It
anyway.
is not their
Anyway, my
responsibility.
lord,
No,
I understand, my
Mr.
lord, we may
Vasu,
commit a
you
mistake.
see,
I'm
one
not
thing-
on that point.
One thing is that at the end of the day,
Yes, sir.
we have got to deliver a judgment on the basis of the record.
Lordship, definitely.
Okay, now they had submitted the
Okay.
paper book in November 2020. And this court by the order passed in November 2020 had told the section, the paper book section and yourself
Yes, Lordship, I admit.
to verify. Now, you had 3 years to make a submission which you're making today. You have come for the first time.
Yes, sir.
And on the last date when the hearing was held,
Yes, Lordship, I admit.
you told your juniors
Yes, Lordship. they
that
attended my hearing.
you will give the arguments.
Yes, Lordship.
Now you're coming on a technical ground, which should have been done at the very first instance within the last 3 years.
Yes, Lordship, I have a little explanation, though, if Lordship may accept or not. Since my learned friend has filed the paper book, I believe that it is correct. Recently, they filed an affidavit bringing to this honorable court that some other exhibit has been annexed with the paper book. Then we, Lordship, we started checking. Yes, Lordship, I do admit I was default on the
You
night.
started checking now.
Yes,
Why, what were you doing? Sleeping for the last
No,
3 years?
when they file affidavit, Lordship, may please to see.
If you believe everything they say, then
Okay.
why do we need to go for rechecking?
Let's see.
We'll pass the orders as per
Lordship.
their submission.
They filed their affidavit in September, Lordship. This is the affidavit. Lordship, may please to see that it must be in the record. There they stated that some wrong exhibit has been placed in the paper book. Now they have filed a correct one, Lordship, in September 2023, Lordship. Even then, Lordship wants to hear, I'm ready to argue.
No,
Lordship.
no, how can we hear?
No, Lordship,
How can we hear? When the court has ordered that this should be verified by the book section, by the paper book section, then we have to make sure that it is verified by them.
Lordship,
Unless they give and it is their translation, unless that is accepted by the translation wing, we will have to do all the checking ourselves, translation of each and every, and I cannot read.
yes, Lordship.
I cannot read the Assamese vernacular.
And
Then
Lordship,
what to do?
Lordship will appreciate one thing. When they discovered the mistake, it was discovered by them only.
Prior to the last date, they could have,
Yes.
my lord. We
Yes,
filed in
Lordship.
September, he could have pointed on the last date also, my lord.
Anyway.
Sorry, my lord. Well, that's, my lord, human being commit mistake, my lord. It may be there, my lord, but it is not missing, my lord. It was missing, not a mistake, my lord. We pointed out, yes. He also, he knew it at the time of filing affidavit. It is true, my lord, for 2 years he did not know it. Then he could have also pointed out, my lord. So anyway, my lord, I leave to your worship, my lord.
Now, we cannot do anything. We cannot pass an order. We cannot decide the issue without a verification being given by the translation wing that the translation is correct.
That's true. That's true.
And
Correct.
correct, and also with regard to
Exhibits.
whether the exhibits are correct or not. That exercise will have to be done by them. We cannot do it. I cannot do it because I cannot read Assamese.
That's, my lord.
My lord, in this regard, I applied this matter before that bench lordship. The honorable court asked me, there is the original record, that it is not necessary to file any affidavit or anything. If you want to file, you can file.
No.
That
You
is-
also had a duty to ensure that the criminal book section had verified your paper book.
That's true, my lord.
You also had a duty.
Yes, yes, my lord.
There is nothing here to show that they have verified it and accepted it as
It
correct.
should be verified, my lord. That was.
That
not
is there
done.
in the order.
This is a fact, my lord. It was not verified.
Unfortunately for both of us, all of us,
Yes, on me also, my lord. On our
we
part
are-
also.
though we are prepared to dispose of with all these notes. This has
Then they have heard you.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Lordship.
That's why, my lord. On that day, if somebody could have pointed out, madam, could have done madam to the office, madam, they could have verified it in one day, madam, they could have done it.
Clear was there.
Yes, Lordship, I do admit my mistake, Lordship. Lordship, on the other side, I'm not blaming anyone. Lordship, since the order of passing 2020, with the direction to verify by both by ST and Chan, so there is no note of for ST also.
There is no,
There is no note of the ST also. I do
but
admit
then
my,
it was the duty of both of you all
yes, Lordship.
Yes.
to inform the registry
That's true, madam.
with regard to the existence of this order. How many times after 2020 has this case been?
That is why I'm saying, madam.
This case,
Again and again it came, madam.
Lordship, may please to verify the record.
Now, in fact, on the last date, if you were here and you had said what you're saying today,
Lordship,
then we wouldn't have wasted time.
unfortunately, Lordship,
As we could have heard some other matter. And today, everyone is adjourned the matter. We said, "Okay, we now will dispose of this matter today. This is the only matter left." And now if we adjourn this matter,
Lordship,
we are going to have an early day. It's going to be quite a
it is a mistake.
it's a wastage of time.
That's-
If I knew that if we knew that this was going to happen, we might not have allowed
it,
the adjournment.
After coming to the court, while checking the records, I find out that there is no verification report from the ST. And I was double sure that some mistake has been come.
Anyway, what to do?
Anyway, my lord.
We have what to do. We are stuck between the devil and the deep blue sea. We have got to pass the order that there's no other way out. We'll put this. Okay. At least to show that we did something to it.
Not say we kept the matter part.
No. But we don't know how long they will take to translate and verify.
They can do it within 2-3 days, but I,
No. It's not so simple. No, not so simple. It's not so simple because first of all, today is Thursday. They've got a lot of translation work that is going on. They are overburdened. Let me tell you, they're overburdened. And then this pujas are coming. Everyone wants to enjoy. Maybe for you, it's okay. You're not going to do the hard work.
they could also, if they come out, they will also would have enjoyed my, this appearance also.
Might have, we don't know. That's all we don't.
Anyway, everything is my lord.
They all might have been given box of sweets for pujas. Or maybe some bricks have thrown at you on the other hand.
What I think, my lord, because my learned friend pointed out 2-3 exhibits, that may be verified, but the other things he also, he is,
No, we have to verify everything. They have to verify all the translations.
that's, no.
All the translations we have to verify, all the exhibits.
All the deposition are English, only rest part, madam, that will, all the deposition are English, madam.
Deposition is.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
So that's.
So
part is-
only that part with regard to the,
That part, madam. That's why it may not. Take
may
much
not,
time.
may not take much.
That is what I have said.
Exhibit may be verified. Otherwise,
That may be.
all the evidences. they are-
Evidence are all in English. So only exhibits have to be verified.
That's.
Is it sure? Are you sure? Don't take another submit. Don't make another submission.
Yeah, let him
But
sure.
see one thing,
Another day.
my learned friend is stated translated by so and so.
That is what. That is what is
That's why
causing the
this-
problem.
This whole thing
He-
is now.
No, because the council has said that it has been translated by her. Now, translated means what? That means something that was in the vernacular has been translated into English.
That means
That has to be verified.
No,
Nothing is in vernacular.
only this,
Only,
only
This
the,
this is what she has written.
yes, translated means something from. the-
Translated by
You should have-
Sayeda Khalida Nargis, examined by Sayeda Khalida Nargis.
but-
What more do you want?
What I, this. almost-
We can only go by what's written here.
That's, I understand, madam.
examined by.
Mistake committed by all of us, madam.
Yeah.
We are not saying, madam, we are.
How can you say that? Don't please overlook this, but believe what I'm saying.
But what happened in the, most of the paper will be written translated by, so she might have written that way, madam. Anyway, madam, that is, I'm not justifying that way, madam. This is also fine.
And another thing, we cannot put it part-heard for the simple reason that my sister will not be here next week. She's not going to be here.
She will be taking puja earlier than one.
No, she's sitting in some other bench. And
Any-
then,
any minor. I
and then
give
in
you
the
one.
first week of November also, she's not going to be here. So there's no point putting it partner.
We'll lift your lordship, madam, your lordship.
And this cannot be done in one day.
And that's, yes, it may take-
Right. Heard Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel. Assisted by Ms. S.K. Dargish. Learned counsel for the appellant. Appellant or appellants? Appellants.
Appellants.
Appellants. Full stop. Also heard Mr. S.C. Kal, learned standing counsel for the NCB.
Including lordship, special PP
Learned special PP
for NCB.
for the NCB. Full stop. The matters had been, no, the. Then you just take whatever the order, just take, and you take up till, only take up till 6, para 6. Otherwise, we'll forget. First time. Mr. SCKL at this stage submits that the exhibits mentioned by the learned trial court in the appendix to the impugned judgment is not in consonance with the exhibits that have been put in the paper book. Full stop. He gives the example of exhibit 33 and 33 and 43, which are mentioned in page 143 and 144 of the paper book. As compared to, now while comparing the same with the said exhibit, the said actual exhibits in page 193 and page 204. He accordingly submits that unless a proper verification of the exhibits is made, there could be a diversity of justice. Full stop. Next para. We have also been apprised of the order dated 5/11/2020 passed in IA Criminal 351/2020. Wherein it has been stated that Ms. S.K. Nargis, the learned counsel, had prepared the paper book in the connected appeal. The order further states that the criminal paper book section as well as the learned counsel appearing for the NCB are given time to verify regarding receipt of the paper book so prepared. Actually, it says only regarding receipt. Full stop. Next para. A reading of the above order dated 5/11/2020 passed in I Criminal 351/2020 implies that the paper book prepared by the appellant's counsel should have been verified by the criminal paper book section of the registry of this court. And by the counsel for the NCB. Full stop. However, comma, the same has not been done, as is clear from the footnote, as is clear from the footnote at the end of the index of the paper book, which shows that the paper book has been prepared, comma, translated, comma, examined, and examined by the learned counsel for the appellants, S.K. Nargis. The same has been typed by one Anitin Mesen, Anitmesen. Full stop. However, with regard to the heading inverted commas compared by inverted commas, no name or institution has been mentioned. Full stop. Full stop. This makes it clear that the concerned section of the registry of this court has not verified the correctness of the paper book prepared by the learned counsel for the appellants. In view of the above, comma, we are of the view that unless the same is verified, unless the paper book prepared by the appellant is verified by the concerned section of the registry of this court with regard to its veracity, comma, it would not be proper for us to decide the present appeal, comma, in its present form. Present appeal on the basis of the paper book, on the basis of the unverified paper book. Accordingly, the concerned section of the registry of this court shall verify the correctness of the paper book, and especially with regard to the exhibits mentioned in the paper book, comma, by comparing them with the lower court records. The matter, the case be listed for hearing subsequently. The case be listed for orders. For orders, I think. For orders, after vacation, after verification of the paperwork.
My lord, in this case, lordship, my Lanak PP has mentioned that exhibit 43, 44 subsequent, I have a annex distinct lordship in the paper book.
Let them,
Kindly lordship, because in
Mr. Madam, let them make a report with regard to veracity.
I'm not that lordship. Only he is blaming me, that is why lordship.
No, but we are not blaming you.
It's very
We are-
simple for me, my lordship, because a paper book prepared by me, it was submitted to the registry lordship.
Let them give a report that it is correct and verified. That's all. You can talk to them.
I'm not blaming anybody else.
It's blaming lordship, it is in the paper book lordship.
Then let's.
In you are impliedly, you are implying that there something is not correct. That's.
And they admitted themselves by filing affidavit.
33 double lordship, that is why lordship. 30, that was mentioned lordship.
My lord already understood who is what, my lord. But I cannot say.
My intention is not to mislead the court.
You go and shout at him outside the court now. Don't worry, we are not on that. Anyway, Mr. Kayal, you see, one thing is that you should have given us the.
I apologize for that.
Hey.
Lordship.
What do you mean? It's so easy for you to say, I'm sorry.
No, Lordship, Lordship, may please to appreciate the circumstances, Lordship.
What circumstances?
Lordship,
When did you come to know this? Only now?
no, Lordship, in September, Lordship,
Anyway.
and we
no, no,
believe
it's a-
the conduct of the
okay.
learned council, Lordship.
Now, 11 o'clock. We are thinking of finishing this case.
They have also done hard work till.
Correct, no. You see,
I'll leave it to Radha Madam.
we were waiting for his argument only.
Notes.
We are ready. We have made some notes. Now these notes, why do you think I made it? For finish it so that he need not repeat it. What he has said earlier. Now this is one for a sick.
Anyhow, my lord, whatever happened.
So yeah, so we'll put a shorter form in the order that's all. So that we remember next time.
So that is almost like it will be reflected in the.
Now, little bit will be reflected. Anyway,
Only matter that expeditious verification, my lord, this my lord, only 2-3 pages basically, my.
but like I said, we cannot put it parted, we cannot put nothing, we cannot do anything. Now we'll have to see. Because we'll have to go again from the beginning. But then at least if we have put a part of the order, at least they will read it now, it'll be easier. So they'll know what the issue is.
Sorry, my lord, because you lost it time this way that we are.
We are sorry.
But because of that reason, lordship, accused person is suffering, lordship. Whether my fault.
No,
whether
we do not know. How do you know that we would allow the appeal? How
No,
do
no,
you?
not on that, at least they can, they are thinking that today their case is going to be finished.
This point.
That was the thinking, not.
Anyway, what to do? Now, yeah, I don't know.
So we are facilitator will take rest, my lord.
No, there are some shavy matters. So it's okay. Only thing is that it's a bit too early. Slightly doesn't look too proper. You close this. Then because now imagine what.